Welcome to Zoomer's RV. Today we have for sale a 2005 Forest River Sierra 335 RLT triple slide. It has a nice big awning, privacy glass, good tires, roof AC. Has power front jacks, manual crank down jacks. Somebody has added a small hitch on the back to, I'm assuming, pull a small boat or something. Two big slide outs on this side. Good basement storage. Has Firestone tires that have good tread. Some of the stripes are a little weathered, like that one, but overall it's in good condition. Let's walk inside. Outside shower. It has a concert tone CD player and radio with surround sound speakers and a center bass speaker. Has central air, AC throughout the ceiling. Excuse me. When you walk in front of you is the kitchen. And one of the big slide outs, it has a Magic Chef microwave. It's nice and clean. Double sink, Magic Chef 3-burner stove and oven, Dometic refrigerator and freezer, an entertainment area for a TV. In the back it has a big bay window and overhead cabinets. More speakers, a couch that folds out to make a bed in the other part of the slide, and a nice dinette table with 2 chairs. As you walk up front, on your right is a bathroom with the stool, corner cabinet with sink, dressing mirrors, and medicine cabinet. On the right side is a shower, corner glass shower, a couple small closets there, nightstands, and a queen size bed and a slide out. More closets, sliding mirror closet, front doors, and a dressing area with 6 drawers. Overall, this unit is in real good shape. It has no water damage. The carpet throughout the living room looks like it has been replaced. Whoever did it did a fantastic job. It looks great. The carpet in the bedroom is the same color. There is some stains right there as you walk towards the back. That's about the only flaw with the inside. The exterior, a couple of the stripes are weather checked. Some scratches and dings, all major cosmetic stuff. We do carry Lazy Boy recliner chairs for $300 a piece. If you choose, you can buy 1, 2, or 3 to put in the back of this unit. Good luck bidding.